You guys will never believe what I just found. It's Microwave Mouse. I'm in the same hotel as Microwave Mouse. This is so cool. This is like actually so cool. Oh my goodness, he waved. Is that at me? Oh my goodness, he looking. No! Maybe if I wave, he'll... Oh my goodness, he acknowledged me, guys. Wow. He's so cool. Microwave Mouse. Maybe he'll do something cool again. What if he jumps? I hope he doesn't. Microwave Mouse. Was that at me? Oh my goodness. He reacted to me. Oh my goodness. This is so cool.
He's just a little boy.
I'm trying to record Microwave Mouths. Move!
Love you, buddy.
Love you too, buddy.
Oh my goodness, he waved at me again. He waved at me. Oh my goodness. He's waving at me. Oh my goodness, it's Microwave Mouse. I would also like to mention that it's 3 a.m. guys, and it's Microwave Mouse at 3 a.m. I'm waiting to see you looking at me, and he's looking away. Is that a blender nail? Oh my goodness, it's a blender nail. I'm in the Appliance Appendage Hotel. No! Well, that's him gone. With the Appliance Appendage. Oh, Appliance Appendage is gone. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this fantastic video where it turns out I'm in the Appliance Appendage Hotel with Linder Nails and Cabinet Hands. Well yeah, I think Cabinet Hands is here too, but Microwave Nails, and I'm pretty sure I saw Toaster Heads and Freezer Feet's all here. That's part of the entire Appliance Appendage shared universe, guys. Anyway, keep your hands cabineted, your heads toasted, your feet frozen, and your mouths microwaved. Thanks. Anyway, thanks. Bye.
Actually, give me that one.
Oh, guys.
Oh my word.
What did Microwave Mouse just do?
He microwaved the whole building.
Oh no. Also, guys, I was so right. Toaster Heads was in the building. Anyway, what did Microwave Mouse do?
I've gone too far this time. They microwaved their last mouth.
Hey, let's Cooper pants.
What did microwave mouths do?
Emergency vehicles around.
It's a
Freezer
frozen
feet.
foot.
That's probably like a dumb idea.
Yeah,
Don't
that's
you
true.
agree?
What?
Freezer feet's out there.
Yeah, what did microwave mouths do, Willie?
They microwaved one too many mouths this time.
That's what I thought.